Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included when you purchase one of our gauge packages. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 7-color series gauge package for the 2008 to 2014 Subaru Impreza WRX and STI. In this particular package, you're going to get a 30 PSI boost vacuum gauge, an oil pressure gauge, and an oil temperature gauge, all featuring a black face with a tinted lens. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm analog 30 PSI boost vacuum gauge with a color change button on the front, 2-footed power wire on the back, and a 1/8 slip-on pressure fitting. A 52mm analog oil pressure gauge with a color change button on the front, and a 52mm analog oil temperature gauge with a color change button on the front. Also included in the package, full color installation instructions, a 6-foot silicone boost hose, a boost line T-fitting with hose clamps, a 9-foot pressure sensor harness, a 2-foot power harness for your oil pressure gauge, a 2-foot power harness for your oil temperature gauge, an oil filter sandwich plate adapter with port plugs, an oil pressure sensor, an oil temperature sensor with bullet style connectors, mounting brackets and hardware, a pillar mounting bolt, a direct replacement triple pillar gauge pod, a 3-gauge wiring kit with sensor and power wires, and gauge visors for sun glare. All of our products come with lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website or message us on any of our social media channels.